Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I'm trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below in the description area to a totally free 4-part series that I put together so you can learn all about them. And as a little bit to maybe pique your interest if you're a stock trader or an options trader and struggling, annoyed by the pattern day trading rule, there's zero pattern day trading rule within the world of futures. So you can go and day trade as much as you want. And then second, I'm trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? If you check out that link up above, again, I'll put it down in the description area too. That'll walk you through all those questions. And in a nutshell, though, a prop firm is a way for you to put very little of your money at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So like I said, that's just the oversimplified explanation of what a prop firm is. But if you, like I said, want to learn more, make sure you check out that link, because that link will also give you the promotion, because prop firms are always running deals and specials, and that'll ensure you get that deal. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and as soon as I find a potential trade, I will get the video rolling. Whoop. I am in. That was a quick move down. I'm in on the short side. If I can get some more here. So short meaning I want the price to go down. That was a quick spike, so I did not capture the entry point on video. Let's see what it wants to do here. Just putting out a couple of buy orders if this does want to start to come down. Again, I am short, meaning I want prices to go down. If prices go down, I make money. I'm going to look to add some more if it wants to come down to that red line there. So I'm looking to add more if the price can get down to that red line. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. And oh, never mind. Is it going to come down? And that blue line. Oh, or excuse me. The blue line is my entry point. The red line is where I would be able to add some more. And I like that chance that gets us moving down in this area of the chart. Come down some more. Come on. Oh, so close. Okay, in. Oh, wow. Hit me and then barely budged it all down. I'm going to add in some more if it wants to come back down there again. I do still like and think that this thing wants to come down. There we go. In. Good. You see if we can come down some more. Good. Good. So now I'm just going to bring my stop loss down as it goes. So this is a winning trade. I don't know how much I'm going to make because I don't know how far down it's going to go. So I'm going to keep on bringing my stop loss down as it goes. And all out there for $621. Very, very good. I was glad that I was confident in that setup. And U.S. stock market opens at 9:30. Now, futures were basically open around the clock. But once the USA stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, things can get a little jiggy. So I was thinking, should I hold through that? And I wanted to be out before that open, but I'm glad it gave me that opportunity to do that, and it came back down. So yeah, like I said, I was confident in the setup. I liked the setup. I was willing to add, but remember those 2 points where I did add the final allotments. I wanted to first get a little extra confirmation and see the price come in my favor a bit more. And then when I saw it come in my favor, that's where I felt confident. Now the first one, yeah, that was not the greatest, but it's not like it exploded up. It came up and I was like, okay, well now if it wants to come back down again, I would be willing to add. And I did indeed add. And, the confidence there paid off. So nice start to the day. Man, I don't even know. I'd be happy with, I mean, I'm up over $600. Maybe I should just call it good. I don't know. I'll keep an eye on things. And if I see something that looks really, really good, maybe I'll take another trade. So quick little update, market open, and when I say market open, I mean the U.S. stock market open, which is what kicks kind of the volatility of futures into motion more. But that roll over here, and yeah, in hindsight, I didn't play it perfectly, but then you can see boof up, and then look at that, down, and now look at this straight up. So I'm glad I've just been sitting on the sideline because I can see losing trades here. I could very realistically see myself maybe taking some sort of short here on the way up, thinking that, all right, this isn't a true bounce, but no, that would have taken me out. Then I could see, wow, this is a strong move, maybe buying some sort of dip and having that move take me out. And then maybe thinking, okay, now we've established momentum and maybe just trying to get short, thinking, okay, this bounce surely isn't going to continue. And then that being another loss. So yeah, I can see this being, could have been just a very, a bunch of people got chopped up on this movement here. Very tricky action here. After, like I said, that movement right there that you saw me try, that was just a nice, it went with the trend. It was not, there's no rocket science involved there at all. Just going with the trend. But then this, I mean, like I said, knocked people out, acted like it wanted to be strong, then acted like it was the end of the world. And then all of a sudden, whoops, straight back up it went. So just very wild action for sure. But there's the quick little update on things. And I'm still not going to for sure be done. But yeah, let me put it this way. My motivation levels were already pretty low because I was already up over 600. But then seeing this action right now, it's made my motivation levels that much lower. All right, I have not even been really paying that much attention at all. Almost forgot that I had the recording going and pause. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and just wrap things off and move on with the day. So if there's anything there, if you're confident in a setup, stick with it. And if you're extra confident, then yeah, maybe you can add to it. But either way, you got to let things play out. And the setup that you saw never did anything wrong. And I gave it chances, and then I gave it chances to actually give me more confirmation, which allowed for me to put together a nice little trade there. So yeah, be confident in your setups. Well, let me put it this way: have a strategy that allows you to get confident in setups because you know that certain setups can work out pretty well. And then finally, before I go, I want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you're interested in learning more about the tools I'm using, how I build consistency, manage risk, and just establish yourself within a framework of how trading should be approached, then this will be a very, very valuable class for you. I've been around since 2013. I've worked with many traders, and a lot of traders show up and they think they're making good moves, and I can understand why they think that way, but they're not actually good moves. And there are many things like that where it just seems to make sense, but when you don't know what you don't know, they can be problems. So those are other things that I'll address in this class. So if you're a beginner, getting started, if you're struggling as a trader, maybe you just want to, iron sharpens iron type of thing. But I think this class really will have something for everybody, no matter where you're at in your journey. So check out the link down in the description box, or just go to claytrader.com/live, and that will tell you when the next live class actually is. So hopefully you get signed up for it. As always, if you appreciate these live videos, hit that like button. And if you're looking for a super free and easy way to support the channel, please consider hitting that, if I could say it right, that subscribe button. Take care. Have a good one.